Hello students, today we will do words problem of exercise 8.1. As you know that in this exercise we are doing the questions of discount and discount percentage which is given on the mark price of an article. So let's start from question number 6. Statement is the list price of an frock is given 220. A discount is given 20%. What is the amount of discount on it? You have to find out discount and selling price. So first of all, from the statement, we will write here mark price. Mark price is given 220 rupees. Next is given discount. Discount is given 20%. In the word problem, we just keep one thing in our mind that if you are given any term in the statement and if you know its formula, then you have to write the formula in the question and after put the value which is given in the statement. Here you are given discount percentage and also you know the formula of discount percentage which is discount percentage is discount divided by mark price and multiplied by 100. And in the statement we are given discount percentage and also the mark price. Just put the values. So we can write here 20. Discount is not given. So just write it as it is. In the divide, we can write here 220 and multiply by 100. This is an algebraic expression. We can solve it by cross multiply or multiply and divide. So here we can cancel out the terms. Here we have the sign of equality. We can do here cross multiply. After that, we will get 20 multiply by 22, 10 will be in the divide and discount in the right hand side. After that, cancel out the 0, 22 multiply by 2, we will get 44. So we can say that here discount is rupees 44. So this is our first answer. Next we have to find out in the same question selling price. Selling price. And we know that the formula is, next formula of the discount is discount equal to mark price minus selling price. Put the values if you know value of any term. We know the value of discount is 44 and also marked price is 220 minus selling price. We have to find out here value of selling price. So just do the calculation. What will we do here? Transpose this term in the right hand side and 44 to the left hand side. Its sign will be changed. So we can write here it as 220 minus 44. When we subtract these terms, then we get it equal to 176. So this is our question number 6. Next question is question number 7. Statement is a table mark price is given. In the statement marked price is given 15,000. Also in addition we are given selling price is also given. We have to find out discount and discount percentage. Selling price is given 14,400. We have to find out two terms. First is discount and second is discount percentage. Formula of discount is marked price minus selling price. Just put the values. 15,000 minus 14,400. Then we will get it equal to 600. So discount is equal to 600. Rupees 600. Next term is we have to find out discount percentage also. Discount percentage. Formula is discount divide by mark price and multiply by 100. Put the values. Discount is 600 divide by 15,000 and multiply by 100. We can cancel out 20 from 100 and 10 from 600, and we can also cancel these two terms. So discount percentage is 4%. So this is our question number 7. Next question is question number 8. In question number 8, we are given discount percentage on the mark price of any article, and also its selling price was also given, which is equal to 680. So in question number 8, discount percentage is given and also selling price is given, but mark price is not given. Discount percentage will be applied on mark price, and here mark price is not given. So that's why we can't direct use discount percentage formula. We have to suppose here mark price. So we will write here, let mark price be X and discount is on mark price. So we can say that discount percentage is 15% of X. It will be equal to divide by 100. That means 15X divided by 100. So this is our discount. In this question, we have to find out mark price. Here we have value of discount, selling price, and also we know marked price, which is equal to X. So we can apply here formula of discount, which is equal to mark price minus selling price. Here we will put the values. Discount is 15X divided by 100. Discount is 15X divided by 100. Mark price is X and selling price is 680. Here we will do the calculation as we can transpose the like terms in the left hand side and just remain the constant term in the right hand side. So we can also do that. Just transpose the constant term in the left hand side so that its sign will be changed and it will be in the positive form. And like terms, these are like terms. These are the terms of X. So transpose like term in the 15X divided by 100 in the right hand side. We can take the LCM of both of the terms. So it will be equal to 680 when we take LCM 100x minus 15x. After that we will do the cross multiply. We can subtract these two terms, then we will get 85x and 680 divided by 85. So when we will divide these two terms, then we will get the value of X, which will be equal to rupees 80. And here we have supposed X is as mark price. So we can say that mark price in this question is 800.